Hello and welcome back to Core Finance. I'm Matt Brown, joined down the line by Tim Young, who's day trader at Ayondo. Good morning to you, Tim. Now, we're going to have a look at the FTSE, and starting off with the FTSE hourly chart. It's been quite an interesting week. Have you been buying below 7,300?
I did do one trade below there earlier on in the week, which worked out pretty well because on that day it went up quite a lot. So I was able to, I closed out a few long positions on that day. So yes, I have been.
Fantastic. And moving into the weekend, looking now again, may head back below that 7,300 level. What are your thoughts? Are you still long? Are you going to look to pick up some more if we get below a level? What key levels are you looking at the moment?
I'm still long. I think the 7.3 was a pretty key level. I mean, as we speak now, we're well over that. We know with 34, 35 points over that. So I think with the Brexit deal looking positive now, a bit of the success in those negotiations, I think that's given the FTSE a bit of a boost, albeit that the pound did strengthen as well. I think even despite that, the FTSE's still gone up. So yeah, I'm expecting 7.3 to hold. So I bought around about the 7.230 mark this morning. But if it goes under 7.3, then I will be buying again because, as I say, I think there's more danger in shorting this market than going long. And
if you are picking up around these levels or certainly lower, what target prices are you putting, maybe for the short term and medium term?
You mean in terms of how high we can go?
Yes. Yeah.
I think, well, personally, my take profit at the moment is about 7,435. So I'm expecting that's my target is for it to get over 7.4 in next week, hopefully up to about the 7.430, 7.435 level. Although I must admit, I don't think the previous levels I've said of 7.6, as I said, I don't think we're going to get that this side of Christmas, sadly. But yeah, and I think my personal target at the moment is for the FTSE to get up to about 7.435 next week. That's what I'm hoping.
Let's look out for that. And back on the hourly chart, the stochastics and the RSI, what are they telling you at these levels?
Yeah, well, this was as of close yesterday. I mean, it was getting close to oversold, and then we did go down further yesterday evening after the market was closed, down to just over 7.3. So we're definitely closer to oversold than overbought. Although the hourlies since then has gone up a fair bit, so that's not really telling us that much at the moment. I think the daily's telling more of a story, which is really is carving out a very messy bottoming process, I would say. It's just been a bit of a mess this week, the daily chart. I think it's with all the uncertainty surrounding Brexit. The market's wanted to go up, but then there's just been more uncertainty and it's gone down. It's not really known what it's wanted to do. Whereas now, I think, now that we've got these negotiations looking positive, I'm expecting a positive end to the day. So yeah, it's just carving out a very messy bottoming pattern on the FTSE at the moment.
Good stuff. Well, good luck with your trading today, last day of the week, and look forward to speaking to you and catching up with you next week. That's Tim Young, day trader for Ayondo.
Thanks, Matt.